Welcome to Palms Court's luxury apartment.
Welcome guys, when it comes to Shortlet, I bring you the best deal. When we meet to Lekki phase 1, let me show you this amazing service apartment I recently visited. Coming into this apartment, the first thing that caught my attention was the beautiful couch, the curtains and the lighting, blending perfectly with the entire interior design of the living space. Now let me show you the dining area. The dining area features comfortable dining table and chairs with beautiful lighting and artworks that add aesthetic to the entire dining space. Now this apartment comes with 3 spacious bedrooms. To be honest guys, the bedrooms are relaxing, cozy and restful. I mean, look at the choice of color and the unique architectural design of the bedrooms. You guys, let's talk about simplicity. Palms Court luxury apartment also comes with a modern and well-equipped kitchen and a private chef. And that's not even all. You guys, at Palms Court luxury apartment, you also have this magical balcony to yourself, a stunning swimming pool and a gym area. If you'd like to book this apartment, can you send us a DM? Bye.